Myself, Vinayak. I'm from Bangalore itself. I'm graduated from BMS Institute of Technology, Alanka. I got to know about Emertxe through Instagram ads and through my seniors as well. And also, many place students and one of my relative who's placed from Emertxe also told me and suggested me that Emertxe is one of the best institute for the embedded. Okay, academically in college, I was an average student. Then after coming to Emertxe, I've gained a lot of logical thinking skills and where I've also improved my thinking skills in a faster way where it gives more efficient solutions to the industry required skills. Emergency helped me in many ways, like through by mentoring me, like individually also they n number of doubts you ask, they answer it without hesitations and without getting irritated as well. So and then coming to the placement team, they support us in many ways. Like they give many opportunities and they give many mock interviews, mock tests to get yourself more confident while attending the actual interview. Here in Emergency, the assignments are the basic building blocks for the projects you perform here. And these projects, whatever you perform here, will be the concepts which will be related to what are the interview questions will be asked in the interview. Okay, projects in MRC, they give many test cases where we have to come through many errors as well, and many test cases bring many solutions other, and we have to think it in other way to get them done. I've completed 78 projects in MRC. So then these projects help me in interviews by not preparing much or for the interview. You can just go through the concepts. So if you have done the project on your own, so you just don't have to just mug up the code. You can be confident enough in answering the concepts and the logical way how you solve that particular problem. Okay. I've attended two interviews, and the second one which I've attended was my Marelli company, which I've got placed it. Okay. Initially, when I joined MOC, by hearing the number of modules, I thought it would be a very long journey. But going through it, it was made very easy, and they went on very fast as well. So that even mentors made it easy, so that we did not get hesitate to ask them. So they also would explain it in a proper way, and giving an hands-on experience to us, it made us more thorough with the concepts and to remember it very easily as well, so that we could answer them even in the interviews as well. The best advice I could give from my side is for the embedded system domain, just don't think of any other option, just go for Emertxe. And when you join Emertxe, just give complete 100% of yours. The rest will be taken care by the Emertxe team, support team, everything will be done there. So you just have to do your work. So do your work and that get placed in one of the good companies from Emertxe.